Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw Bluey. That's right, we're going to draw a cute Bluey. This Bluey will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yeah! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing the Bluey's ears. Next, we will draw the rest of the Bluey's body, including her nose. Feel free to make Bluey's body bigger or smaller. Next, let's color in Bluey's nose. Now, we will draw in Bluey's eyes. Let's not forget the Bluey's arms, tail, and legs too. Doesn't Bluey look so cute already? We are now finished with the outline. Let's start coloring our Bluey. I will use my blue marker to color her ears and parts of her body. Let's try our best to color within the lines and not leave any white gaps. I don't do a perfect job of this, but that's okay. I think it's more important to enjoy the drawing process and just have fun. Feel free to change up the colors or try using different types of blues. Have fun and choose a combination of different colors that you like. Isn't coloring so much fun? If you want a challenge, you can add on more accessories for your Bluey. It can be a colorful hat or a long scarf. Feel free to use a few different colors to add a splash of colors for your Bluey's accessories. Doesn't it look fantastic already? It looks so awesome. Wow! Look at our amazing little Bluey. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as bubbles or a park. You can also repeat this drawing and do lots of Blueys in the background. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of the Bluey. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice. So keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.